Microsoft Dynamics 365 is marketed as an all-in-one business platform that combines CRM and ERP tools to help companies manage sales, customer service, finance, operations, and more. It promises to streamline workflows and improve productivity. But the real question is, does it actually help your business? Now, to be fair, Microsoft Dynamics 365 is one of the most established business platforms on the market and is used by organizations of all sizes around the world. What it does well: comprehensive business platform. It combines CRM and ERP capabilities into a single ecosystem for managing multiple business functions. Strong Microsoft integration. It works seamlessly with Microsoft 365, Teams, Outlook, Power BI, and other Microsoft services. Where the hype falls apart, it has a learning curve. The extensive features can be overwhelming for new users and may require staff training. Implementation can be expensive. Licensing, customization, and consulting costs can add up, especially for larger deployments. Not every business needs all the features. Small businesses may find the platform more complex than necessary for their requirements. So, should you use Microsoft Dynamics 365? Short answer: yes, if your business needs an enterprise-grade CRM. If you're looking for a scalable platform with deep Microsoft integration, Dynamics 365 is a strong option. But if you're a small business with simple CRM needs, a lighter and less expensive solution may be a better fit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.